Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. One man's plan to orange pill a nation. Bitcoin Senegal. The Senegalese Bitcoin community is flourishing. There's a homemade Bitcoin exchange, Bitcoin seminars in the local language, and a growing list of merchants accepting Bitcoin in 2022. Nauru is a 29-year-old Bitcoiner with a vision for his home country. A former financial analyst for a French bank, he founded Bitcoin Senegal in late 2021. Following an 8-year stint in France, during which Nauru earned his master's degree, Bitcoin cheat code qualifications, and a deep understanding of legacy financial markets, thanks to work in investment finance, he was primed to orange pill Senegal. He returned to his home country disheartened to learn that CoinMap, a website showing Bitcoin vendors and merchants around the world, had 0 locations in Senegal. That's despite singer and influencer Khan's plans to set up a crypto-style Akon city. Passionate about Bitcoin and equipped with the knowledge that a Bitcoin beach idea in El Salvador eventually lead to the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, the 29-year-old was inspired to try a similar thing in his hometown. Since setting foot in Africa's westernmost capital, Dakar, Nauru has made progress. As well as founding Bitcoin Senegal, he's given upwards of 18 educational talks about Bitcoin, an orange pill, 2 restaurants, 1 games shop, a surf camp and a few local vendors. That's all in the space of about 6 weeks. He has his sights set on 20 restaurants to accept Bitcoin by July 2022, right before he finishes coding up Senegal's first proprietary Bitcoin exchange from scratch. The exchange would compete with Binance, which has an impressive footprint in Africa, Paxful, as well as Friend's cryptocurrency exchange, which uses an off-the-shelf third-party solution. Nauru told Cointelegraph that his exchange will be as decentralized as possible, and knows that while competition may be tough, the demand for Bitcoin is so large in Senegal that it doesn't matter how many exchanges you make. Indeed, while the sub-Saharan country of about 17 million people is familiar with Bitcoin, it's hardly up to speed with the digital currency. Plus, Nauru says literacy rates are very low, one of the biggest barriers to adoption. Furthermore, while the national language is officially French, the majority of Senegalese speak Wolof, a local language. There are sparse Bitcoin educational resources in Wolof. Nauru, therefore, started a YouTube channel in Wolof to educate his countrymen about Bitcoin. For vendors, the Bitcoin quest began in Les Almadies, a wealthy, expat area of Dakar, where foreign travelers are common and literacy rates are high. He's approached beach bars, restaurants and barber shops, happy to come day or night, if there is ever a problem with BitPay or Lightning terminals. In the restaurant Prina, see picture, the Bitcoin sign is loud and proud. The owner of the establishment, Rene, is a surf coach and freethinker who, Lana, Soul, the most popular Ethereum killer, went through a series of outages in Q4, 2021 Q1, 2022. The protocol suffered from 6 outages in less than 3 months. Our fund Safu. Polygon's operations were back to normal in the early morning hours of March 11, 2022, UTC. By press time, Polygon Scan is updated and displays transactions, while Polygon Bridge ensures cross-network interoperability. During the entire outage, no funds or data of Polygon, Matic users were at risk, as per the statement by its engineers. In January 2022, Polygon, Matic, was clogged due to enormous upsurge in transactional volume caused by the euphoria around Sunflower's Farmer Gamefi protocol. And now, what is Harmony? The blockchain using randomness to reinforce proof of stake. Many in the blockchain world are trying to wean themselves off Bitcoin's proof-of-work system, in which energy-intensive miners use their computing power to verify each new block of transactions in exchange for new coins. In the Ethereum world, much of the development has turned to the alternative proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which relies on a distributed cohort of stakeholders. To earn the right to validate transactions and generate new coins, these validators don't use computing power but rather deposit, or stake, their own money on the network. However, efforts to build a proof-of-stake system frequently run into a problem. It's all too easy for one stakeholder, or multiple stakeholders working in conspiracy, to amass funds and co-opt the network. That compromises security and decentralization, two of the three cornerstones of an effective blockchain, for the sake of scalability. Harmony has attempted to build a fair system that keeps validators in line. What is Harmony? Harmony is a Layer 1 blockchain built in 2018 and launched in 2019 by Stephen C., with the goal of resolving the persistent blockchain trilemma of balancing scalability with security and decentralization. It launched via Binance Launchbit and netted $23 million in May 2019, and now has a total market capitalization of $1.5 billion. It runs on the Ethereum network and includes a token called One, which validators can mint for themselves and draw in the form of transaction fees. Its developers boast that the network can handle 2,000 transactions a second, each of which takes on average 2 seconds to settle. The average transaction on Ethereum proper, by contrast, takes around 10 minutes. Fees are similarly reduced by 1,000 times. Harmony also incorporates a cross-chain feature called Horizon, which allows holders to move between One and the underlying Ethereum network, meaning they can avail themselves of both the Layer 1 network security and the Layer 2 network's efficiency. It is currently building out a platform for lending non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.